You might know him, he's a curlew, and he makes for a sweet view. But it seems his species is on the decline, so I say let him fly. Frugivorous birds that eat plant seeds disperse them far as the eye can see, giving rise to genetic diversity. We say let 'em fly, let it fly, let it fly. Keep our red kites in our skies. Seed dispersal, pollination, control of other populations. With birds our ecosystems thrive. We say let 'em fly. Nutrient recycling through poo. Behavioral patterning does this too. Bioturbation of the soil. Woohoo! We say let 'em fly. If I were a farmer, I'd have a great big bird flag to eat those bugs chewing on my crops, bring ecological balance to the lot. So I say, let it fly. Let it fly, let it fly. The time to protect our birds is nigh. 30 million gone since 1960. Bring 'em back with rigid policy. Reintroductions to the skies. We say let 'em fly. You may not know that birds like cranes are bioindicators of climate change. If we map their migration range, the seasonal timing is a little strange. Their flight foretells a world deranged.
Seriously, in the UK, spring is arriving around a month earlier than it was 30 years ago, and this is having disastrous effects on birds. Species like the ring ouzel and golden plover are moving northward so they can find suitable cooler conditions due to habitat shift. Warming sea temperatures are reducing food sources for seabirds like kittiwakes and puffins. More frequent extreme weather events like storm surges are washing away nests of wading birds like lapwings, and wildfires are destroying habitats. Is this any way for our winged ecosystem warriors to be treated? Oh, climate change.
You greedy dirtbag! Let it fly, let it fly. To the reckless we say goodbye. Coordinated conservation, bring back wild populations. Throw back your head and let cry. We say let it fly. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let it fly, let it fly. Keep our sparrows in our skies. With just one lofty nudge, politicians may just budge. To restore nature we must trudge. Hope sterilities and hold a grudge. Let nature be the ultimate judge.